Let us now proceed to our next topic, which is working with text. There are many ways to work with text in Adobe Photoshop. The Type tool, which is located here in the Tools panel, allows you to add text to your file. So, you click it and then just click any area of your workspace to use the Type tool. You can use text on a variety of projects, such as adding it to your images to create a poster, holiday card, or invitation. You'll also be able to customize the text to suit to your needs. To use the type tool, so just like what I have told you a while back, click the type tool here and then um, or the other way around, you can also press Ctrl T in your keyboard to access the type tool at any time. Okay, so let's try. So say for example, we have IT 200. So that is, and then if we want to customize the text, we can select the text and then we can change its color through here in our at the top of our um, application or Adobe Photoshop, and then we can change its color. Another one is using this character to change the the point, and we have also the spacing, and in here um, for the spacing of the text. Okay, and the metrics. What I usually do rather with text is editing the layer. So, like for this example class, right click and then we have blending options. Click blending options in order for you to um, create or to have the outline of your text in Adobe. Then you can change its outline into two, yung the size of the outline, and other colors. You can also set other colors for your text. Like for me, I want white or yeah. But then, mas gusto ko pa rin yung black. And then click OK. So you can also contour. Okay? Pero mas gusto ko kasi yung simple lang. Yung minimal lang siya. So inner shadow, we have also inner glow. So that is on how to edit text. So in the next video class, you're gonna learn how to use other techniques or tips in using the Adobe Photoshop.